The situation in the Middle East is escalating rapidly. The IDF has launched a significant wave of airstrikes targeting Hamas in Gaza, striking key sites including tunnels and weapons depots as the terror group continues to hold hostages. This decisive action comes as tensions rise not just in Gaza, but across the region. The Houthis in Yemen have now targeted a U.S. aircraft carrier, further complicating an already volatile landscape. Meanwhile, Hezbollah and Syria are also intensifying their involvement. The stakes are high, and the conflict is evolving by the hour. Stay informed as we bring you the latest updates on this critical situation.